Welcome back to WealthWise Academy, where we empower you with the knowledge and tools to achieve financial success. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of budgeting apps, the digital solutions designed to help you take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just getting started on your financial journey, these apps can revolutionize the way you manage your money. Stick around as we explore the top budgeting apps available and discover which one suits your needs best. If you find this video valuable, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Let's get started. 1. Mint, the all-in-one budgeting companion. Let's take a closer look at our first featured budgeting app, Mint, an exceptional all-in-one budgeting companion that seamlessly consolidates all your financial accounts into a single, user-friendly platform. With Mint, you can navigate the world of budgeting effortlessly, as it empowers you to meticulously track your expenditures, establish realistic budget goals, and benefit from personalized money-saving recommendations tailored to your unique financial situation. Thanks to its highly intuitive interface, Mint allows you to effortlessly categorize your expenses, making it a breeze to analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you can optimize your budget. This comprehensive financial management tool provides valuable insights into your financial health, enabling you to make informed decisions and stay on track towards your financial goals. Moreover, Mint boasts a wide array of powerful budgeting features, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an all-encompassing solution to manage their finances effectively. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting on your financial journey, Mint's versatility and ease of use make it a must-have app in your financial toolkit. Let's move on to the next budgeting app on our list, which is none other than the highly acclaimed You Need a Budget, also known as YNAB. This innovative app takes a distinctive approach to budgeting that sets it apart from the rest. YNAB encourages users to assign a specific job to every single dollar in their possession. Embracing this philosophy of proactive budgeting, you'll ensure that each dollar serves a purpose, whether it's designated for bills, savings, investments, or any other financial goal. What truly sets YNAB apart is its dedication to helping you build a robust financial foundation. Its user-friendly interface and real-time syncing capabilities provide a seamless and enjoyable budgeting experience. With YNAB by your side, managing your finances becomes a breeze, and you'll feel more in control of your money than ever before. Take a step toward financial empowerment and let YNAB guide you on the path to financial freedom. 3. Pocket Guard, your personal finance bodyguard. Introducing Pocket Guard, the ultimate personal finance bodyguard to safeguard your financial journey. Say hello to Pocket Guard, a cutting-edge budgeting app that elevates your financial management experience with its state-of-the-art security features and customized spending insights. With its advanced capabilities, Pocket Guard seamlessly tracks your expenses and establishes secure connections to your financial accounts, effortlessly categorizing your transactions for effortless analysis. The remarkable In My Pocket feature grants you instant access to a clear view of your remaining funds, factoring in bills and savings, ensuring you remain on course and empowered to make well-informed financial decisions. Embrace the power of Pocket Guard as your dedicated finance guardian, guiding you towards financial stability and prosperity. Thank you for sticking with us until this point. We hope you found this information valuable. If you did, we kindly request you to subscribe to our channel, share this video with others, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Your support not only motivates our knowledgeable team to keep creating informative content but also helps the YouTube algorithm, ensuring you'll receive more of such helpful videos in the future. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you even more insightful content on our journey to financial empowerment. 4. Wally, simplify your budgeting experience. Introducing Wally, an exceptional budgeting app designed to bring simplicity and ease to your financial management journey. If you value a straightforward approach to budgeting, Wally might just be the perfect solution for you. With its user-friendly features, this app ensures that tracking your expenses is a breeze. You have the option to manually input your expenses or effortlessly snap photos of receipts, making budgeting a hassle-free experience. One of Wally's standout features is its minimalist design, which promotes a clutter-free and intuitive interface. Navigating through the app is a breeze, and you can focus on what truly matters, managing your finances effectively. Wally's commitment to simplicity means that anyone, regardless of their budgeting expertise, can quickly grasp its functionalities. Not only does Wally simplify the process of tracking your expenses, but it also empowers you with valuable insights into your spending habits. The Powerful Insights feature provides a clear picture of your financial behaviors, highlighting areas where you can potentially save more. With this knowledge at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions about your spending and work towards achieving your financial goals. So, if you're seeking a budgeting app that combines simplicity, intuitive design, and insightful analysis, Wally is the perfect fit for streamlining your budgeting experience. Take charge of your finances today and explore the possibilities that Wally has to offer. Download it now and embark on a journey towards financial empowerment and success. 5. Good Budget. Embrace the envelope budgeting method. Next on our list of top budgeting apps is Good Budget, an exceptional tool that embraces the envelope budgeting method. This time-tested budgeting approach involves carefully allocating designated amounts of money to virtual envelopes, each representing various spending categories. Good Budget skillfully modernizes this method, providing a seamless digital platform to create virtual envelopes for groceries, utilities, entertainment, and more. One of the standout features of Good Budget is its sync capability, allowing couples or families to work together on their budgeting objectives, making it a perfect choice for shared finances and collaborative financial planning. With Good Budget, you can easily stay on top of your spending, ensure each dollar has a purpose, and gain complete control over your financial journey. So, if you're looking for a user-friendly app to simplify your budgeting experience and promote financial harmony, Good Budget is the answer. As we wrap up, you now have a comprehensive list of the best budgeting apps at your disposal, ready to empower you to take full control of your finances and set yourself on the path to financial success. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter with a knack for meticulous planning or a newcomer venturing into the world of budgeting, rest assured that these apps cater to a diverse range of needs and preferences. Before you make your choice, take a moment to assess your unique financial needs and long-term goals. This thoughtful evaluation will guide you in selecting the perfect app that seamlessly aligns with your lifestyle, ensuring a personalized and effective budgeting experience. We sincerely hope you found this video insightful and that it provided you with the knowledge you seek to optimize your financial management and embark on your wealth-building journey. If you appreciated the valuable information shared today, we kindly request you to hit the like button to show your support. Moreover, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you never miss out on our future content, brimming with more insightful tips and strategies for mastering your financial destiny. Thank you for being a part of our WealthWise Academy community today. Your engagement and enthusiasm fuel our passion to continue delivering high-quality content. Until we meet again, remember to stay wise and stay wealthy, always making informed decisions for a brighter financial future.